Am I full of drawing? Hello, where? Ningganggoy guli-guli, watcha ninggangko, ninggangko. Ningganggoy guli-guli, watcha ninggangko, ninggangko. Anyways, this is my real voice. Yeah, just like a boy, right? Oo nga talaga. Tagalog lang ako. Totoo, di knowing ko yan. Pero marunong ako mag-drawing everyday. Of course.